For decades, ships and planes have vanished without a trace in one patch of the Atlantic. Now, scientists say the mystery may be solved. It's called the Bermuda Triangle, a vast stretch of ocean between Florida, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda. Sailors gave it another name, the Devil's Triangle, because here vessels don't just sink, they disappear completely. The legend began in December 1945, when 5 American torpedo bombers vanished during a routine training flight. A rescue plane was sent out to find them. It vanished too. 6 aircraft, gone in a single day. Since then, dozens of aircraft and hundreds of ships have been lost here, many without a single piece of wreckage. In 1967, a cabin cruiser called Witchcraft radioed the Coast Guard for a simple tow, 1 mile from Miami. When rescuers arrived just 19 minutes later, the boat and both men aboard had vanished. They were never found. And it still happens. In 2015, the cargo ship Faro disappeared from radar on its way from Florida to Puerto Rico. It was found a month later, resting on the ocean floor, more than 15,000 feet down. So what is going on here? Over the years, people have blamed sea monsters, aliens, even the lost city of Atlantis. But scientists had other ideas, and one by one they started testing them. Here's what they found. Theory number 1. Methane gas. Huge pockets of methane lie trapped beneath the seafloor in this part of the Atlantic. If one erupts, the bubbles can make the water so light that a ship simply loses its buoyancy and drops like a stone. A sinking that fast leaves no debris on the surface. The ocean swallows the ship, then closes up again. Theory number 2, rogue waves. Walls of water up to 100 feet tall that appear suddenly without warning. In lab experiments, scientists recreated these monster waves and found they can snap a large ship in half within minutes. Theory number 3 may explain the missing planes. Scientists studying satellite images noticed something very strange in the clouds. Hexagonal clouds. Clouds with straight, sharp edges. Something that almost never happens in nature. Meteorologists believe these hexagons act like air bombs, blasting winds of up to 170 miles per hour down at the sea. Winds like that can flip a plane, and they can whip up waves over 40 feet high. No small vessel survives that. And there's one more piece of the puzzle. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places where compasses can misbehave. Here, magnetic north and true north can align in ways that confuse navigation, sending pilots and sailors miles off course. Now add the Gulf Stream, a fast, powerful current that sweeps away debris and carries anything floating far from the site. Put it all together. Violent weather, freak waves, gas eruptions, tricky navigation, and a current that hides the evidence. Suddenly, the Devil's Triangle looks less like a supernatural mystery and more like a perfect storm of natural hazards. And here's the part no one tells you. Statistically, the Bermuda Triangle isn't even the most dangerous part of the ocean. When insurers studied the numbers, ships went missing here at about the same rate as anywhere else at sea. The Triangle is simply one of the busiest shipping lanes on Earth. More traffic means more accidents, and more legends. So, mystery solved? Maybe. But if your compass ever starts spinning out there, tell us in the comments, and subscribe for more.